Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla. Today I am going to teach you a super easy simple calculator program in Python. So how simply create a calculator in Python with the help of AI tool. Yes, ChatGPT AI tool is going to creating a free source code for you to create a logic in less seconds. See, ChatGPT is an open source software and a non-profit organization. It's a created. Chat.openapi.com is a URL to access this chatbot and write what you want and get immediately the answer from this tool. And it's a tool is getting better every day is better. If you are having a Google or Microsoft account like email ID accounts, yes, enroll free to use this software freely. Write a program, create a sample calculator in Python is my query, and we'll see how it is to be initiated and start testing. So go to Google and hit ChatGPT, hit enter. So OpenAI.com is a tool. Here the link you need to click here to get the window. Now scroll down and try ChatGPT. If you are already logged in, you will see this window. If you are not, you will get a login and like a register, like a sign up using the free account for Gmail or Microsoft to get a free account and complete this sign in process. Once we need to write here a message to a ChatGPT to get a query resolutions. My query is like to creating a simple calculator Python project. Let's see. I'll ask, write a program to create a simple calculator in Python. Just how you will send a WhatsApp message or any sent a message, the same way we need to send to the ChatGPT AI tool. Yes, I have sent a message, write a program to create a sample calculator in Python. It's a waiting to responding. Yes, here is a simple calculator program in Python. Yes, it is initiated and it is creating a source code also. How beautiful. So if you want to make a project in your own to prepare and implementing your logic by doing yourself, it's a very easy way. So see here, and I am ready to show you like using my PyCharm IDE where we can run the program and write the execute this code. Calculator program or project. Yes, the file is it says that it's already there. So Python calculator ChatGPT. Yes, now ChatGPT to implementing our program where it can be prepare all the code. Let's check. If you know the basics of Python, see this is a function, calculator function. It is taken and it's a showing and a displaying of message. What option? Add, like a subtract, multiplication or division you want to take. Choose the category, the number we need to press, and then it is asking like two numbers, first number and second number. According to our choice, if else statements are prepared, and it will be result. That's it. And calculator function is calling. How this functionality will be executed and running is also going to be explaining here. See what the wonder. So take a copy of this code. Absolutely you can use this code as a freely. Take a copy of this code and paste here. That's it. Even I am not written a single code of line. It is prepared. Now if I run this, run calculator. So wow, select an operator to perform your execution or functionality. Just I am testing one as add. You may see here 1. So if I hit enter first number 5 and plus another 5. Hit enter. Wow, result is 10. Why it is taking 1 point like a 10.0? It's a floating conversion. It is happening here. If you want, you can put it. Even if you are entering in the floating point numbers, it will be automatically calculate and it will give you the result. Let me test one more time for the same application of calculator. Now I will take multiplication 3 I will take. Yes, for 2 first number into 5. Yes, hit enter. 2 5s are 10. Wow, what a super easy lecture and easy to creating projects using ChatGPT. So you can use this particular code for any of your reference and any of your way. So this is what ChatGPT AI tool is creating ourselves. It's a very much helpful for developers who wants to master in your career. I hope it's a super easy lecture. If you feel it's really useful to you, please do subscribe now, and we'll add you more relevant lectures to you very soon. Thank you.